So guys, you have 3 flying modes. This one is kind of really slow. As you guys can see, going left and right, it's very slow. You have mode number 2. Now this one maneuvers a little faster. So this would be for people who are used to drones. And then number 3, which is for people that, you know, fly drones a lot. So hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. So today we're showing you guys the D60 drone. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get, and then let's also flight test it, of course. Alright guys, they give you a instruction booklet. It's rated for ages 14 and older. Everything is packaged very nicely. So you got spare blades, you got a screwdriver, charging cable, accessories inside that bag. So guys, you can download their app if you want, but on the remote they go over all of your different settings. So it's important to keep this. I would keep this with the box somewhere. That way you never lose it, you know, just in case. So you guys, now this drone is a folded drone. Now what you do is you see the blades that have the long piece sticking down, those pull out first. So you pull that out first. Once it's expanded, as you guys can see, it's a pretty decent sized drone, still very lightweight. You got your camera in the front, make sure you peel off the lens. Your battery goes in the back here. Very nice looking drone. Once your battery is inside, press and hold that white button, and that will allow you to power on your drone. It will start lighting up, so it might need charged. We'll go ahead and charge this battery up. So this is the remote. Pretty tight handle. Looks like they put these little grips on the thumb. Actually, that's pretty nice. You got your antennas, and then this pops out and then pops right back in for your cell phone. So if you want to use it with your cell phone, it's got a holder there. Let's go ahead and see. You need 2 AA batteries for the remote control. So guys, charging the battery is very simple. You just plug in their Type-C charging cable right in there to a USB port. So it is beeping because the battery is low, but it is a very fast, nimble drone. So far, pretty impressed with it. Alright guys, my final thoughts on this. It's awesome. This is actually a really fun drone to fly. Very nimble, which is very important for people who are used to drones. 3 speed modes, which makes it amazing. But overall, I'm very impressed with this. And we didn't even charge the battery that much, and we could fly for a long time. Very impressed. Make sure you check out the app for more features. See you guys on the next one.